Hello, nice to have you here. Many orders already arrive digitally, by email, portal, or PDF attachment, but after that, manual ERP work often begins. A PDF order can be easy for people to read, but ERP, EDI, and downstream systems need clear fields: order numbers, customers, items, quantities, dates, and references. PEDIF's main path is the PDF fingerprint. Recurring approved order layouts are recognized, mapped, validated, and handed over as structured data. Not every order is a known fingerprint. Email text, Excel, CSV, Word, or new PDF layouts belong in PEDIF with human-in-the-loop review. The customer process can stay familiar. The sender may continue with PDF or email, while the receiving company gets a controlled path to structured ERP data. Read the full article PDF Orders to ERP on PEDIF Digital.